What up, everyone? This is Mr. Bennett again. Hey, man, welcome. Today we're looking at some past paper questions, and it is factorization by simplification, right? So, as it suggests, it's very simple. Now, the first thing that we do is we want to factorize. So, factor means common, right? So, we're going to be looking at what is common to both expressions. So, we have x here and we have x here, right? So what we can do is to factor out the x or pull out the x. So we get the x right here, and then we close the bracket because x alone is common. So the next thing we want to do now is we want to divide both terms by x. And it is possible because x is common to both. So that is the reason. So x into 3xy, we'll just show some rough work over here. Divide by x and minus x divided by x. Basically, that's what we're doing, right? So x cancel x, so we're left with 3y. And x into itself, leave 1, so we have minus 1. And that would be our answer. Alright? Let's look at number 2. It says 15x squared y minus 20x y squared. Now, we must take out the highest common factor. Remember that what we do in primary school, where we take out the highest common factor or the highest number that can go into both 15 and the 20 without a remainder. Alright? So, prepare yourself also. Alright, so first question we ask ourselves, what is the highest number that can go into both 15 and 20 without a remainder? Alright? So that would be 5. 5 can go into 15, 5 can go into 20. So what we do, we pull out the 5. Next, we check the x terms and take out the highest factor for that. First, we check if x is common to both. Alright, x there so, x there so. Alright, this is x squared and this is x. Now we cannot take out x squared. A common error that students make is they take out x squared. But remember, x squared cannot go into x without a remainder. Alright, so we take out the x. Check the third term now. This is y. And we have y squared. So the highest common factor would be y, that is already explained. Put our bracket. And then now we divide. So 5x squared y is the same thing as this. 5 times x times y. Right? And we are dividing by 5xy. So let's go 5xy. Alright? So let's cancel. 5 into 5 is 1. 5 into 5 is 1. One of the x is cancelled and the y. So we are left with x. Alright? Next, we're going to do the same thing, but this time, oh, this is supposed to be 15. So it's actually 3x. This was not 5, it was actually 15. My error. Alright? And then now we say 5xy into 20xy squared. Same procedure. As you see, I'm not jumping any step, you know. If someone see this for the first time, they can. And we are dividing by 5xy, right? 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 20, 4 times. X cancel. 1 of the x, y leave. So we are left with 4y. And the thing, guys, what you can do to check your answer is, if we should multiply 5xy times 3x, what would we get? We're supposed to get back 15x. Let's check it. 5 3 15. X times x is x squared and the y. Let's check the next one. A positive times a negative is negative, so that's negative. 5 4s 20, so we get 20. 1x, so let's put the x. Y times y is y squared. So I'm assuming that you guys will go ahead and try that. Pause the video and try that. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's go. What's the highest number that can go into 6 and 12 without a remainder? 3 can go into 12 and 6, but it's not 3, right? You must take the highest common factor. Now the highest common factor would be 6, because 6 is the highest number can go into 6 and 12. Alright, this one is very interesting. I absolutely love this one. So this one says a squared versus a4. Now, the highest power is a4, but we have a second highest power, a second. So we're going to take out a squared. Alright, so we have b3 and b. So b is common. And then now we can divide. This would leave b2, right? Because the 6 will cancel the 6, the a square cancel the a square. And remember, when we are dividing, it's as if we are subtracting. So b3 minus b1 is b2. Now 6 into 12 goes 2 times a squared a4 minus, because when we are actually dividing, it's that we are subtracting. I need to do a video on that again, law of indices. So that is a squared. We don't have to put the b because the b will cancel the b, and that would be our answer. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for being a part of my channel. Thank you guys so much for interested in your learning. Let us do one more. Alright, guys, go ahead and try it. So it's 3x squared. These are all past paper questions. They are bulked, meaning minus 21x. Go ahead and do that. So this would be number 4. And what about this one? I absolutely love this one. So it's x squared minus xy. And then the last one for today would be 2y squared plus 3y. Go ahead, try these first. Pause the video. Alright guys, welcome back. So let us take out the highest common factor of 3 and 7. 3 and 21, right? And that would be 3. X, we have x established that already, so it's x. 3 to that leave x. 3 to 21 goes 7 times. And x will cancel x. What's common here? X squared and x. So we take out our x. X into that, and that would leave minus y. Alright? For this one now, 2, nothing is common except 1. So we can just say 1. To make you feel comfortable, you can say 1y. Is common, right? So 1y into 2 goes 2y, right? Plus 3. And that is our answer. I'm going to leave one for you guys to do. Leave this in the comment section if you're interested in passing maths. So 4x squared minus 8x. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's explain it. Appreciate you all. And I will see you guys in another video. Big up on yourself. I'm out. No doubt.